So I just bought this lens a few months ago. Samyang 50 1.4. Everything was working nicely. Yes, issues on my Sony A7 II camera. A few days ago it started to behave really wrong. Okay, let's check. First there is this sound. Check it at 1.4. The reading is 125. Okay, when we go to like f16, can you hear the sound? When I take a picture, this is obviously not f16. When you zoom it, it's like 1.4. And check the value, 1/80 of the second at f16 and 125 at 1.4. It means like aperture blade doesn't open properly. So I will cut the recording now, and then I will try to find position to take a video from the other side of the lens, so you could see when I'm changing the aperture speed, the aperture blades doesn't open or closing or anything, which it should be. Okay, be back in a moment. Okay, let's check now aperture blade. This is at 1.4. Lens is focusing, everything is fine. But when we are moved to like f16, the aperture blade stayed completely wide open. Even when you take a picture, you should close a lot for f16. Let's go to f8. Nothing. Everything stays completely wide open.